Hi everyone. Now as you all know, एक अच्छा करियर बनाने के लिए we must all put our best foot forward. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका शायद CUET से अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन हो जाएगा, तो एम फॉर अ लिटिल हायर. अगर लग रहा है कि JNU में एडमिशन हो सकता है, एम फॉर मे बी DSE और IGIDR. अगर लग रहा है कि IGIDR में एडमिशन हो सकता है, एम फॉर ISI. Aim higher, guys, because the job market is not the best this time, and it's not just with MA Economics, it is with all courses. You really need to be the best to secure a good on-campus job today in today's India's job market. So we at EduSure would like to help you in securing admission to the best college possible for you this year. Alright, so IIT GATE and JAM ke forms are going to come out. Soon after CUET will come, and then the big one ISI will come. Everyone, we have some time left to prepare, and now is the time that you must take a decision. Do something, do that extra thing that is required to crack a top institute this year. At EduSure, we assure you the best coaching possible so that you crack the institute, the highest possible institute for you. Samkit sir and me, Samkit sir is going to train you in mathematics, statistics, and microeconomics. He has been teaching these subjects since over 13 years. Being from ISI itself, he knows what it takes to be able to crack such an institute. He is going to give you the practice that he got and the kind of questions and the practice that he had before he cracked the ISI exam, the entrance and the interview. So he will be there to help you every step of the way for all the entrances possible. I, being from DSE, also had experience in cracking entrances and in getting into the best institutes of the country. I'm also from SRCC in Delhi and have been a former lecturer at St. Stephen's College in Delhi University. So everyone, to crack a top college, you need your base to be very strong in mathematics, in theory, in graphing, and in many factors to be able to rightly crack the question in the exam. We will not only train you in theory and in solving questions, we will help you in solving the past year questions of ISI, DSE, JNU, Hyderabad, IIFT, CUET, and all the universities that you should, the kind of questions that you need to be prepared for. So we will not leave any stone unturned. We'll give you fresh mocks. We'll give you mocks every week, practice tests every week, and we will give you fresh mocks, fresh questions that will test you whether you are aptly prepared for your exam or not. So everyone, we have a strategy on what to do and what not to do so that we make sure that you're able to crack all the entrances. There is nothing much left to say or do. EduSure has a history of successfully helping students crack ISI, IIT, DSE, IGIDR, JNU, hundreds and hundreds of students.
EduSure provided us with a solid and clear understanding of all these fundamental concepts. Sir and ma'am explained in class all of these concepts from the beginning and step by step, and they were always very eager to solve our doubts.
And the most attractive part is that all these lecture videos were recorded and were available in the EduSure student portal. So we could access all these solution videos for n number of times according to our convenience. And this student portal was so organized and so exhaustive that it was really effective in my preparation days.
So see what they see, you get what you get. Get your hands at one of the best institutes to prepare you for your next journey and your next step forward. We have 3 courses at EduSure. These 3 courses are designed so that every student who is looking to crack any entrance there's a chance for you to come to EduSure. The first program that we start with is the CUET only course. This is a course that we have designed for students who are only looking to crack the CUET exam. Through the CUET exam, you can get into JNU, DSE, IGIDR, Gokhale, and many other institutes, and there is no other criteria that you have to fulfill except clear the CUET exam. The CUET exam is conducted by the National Testing Agency, which has 75 questions in 2 hours, MCQs, simple MCQs on your graduation level economics, mathematics, statistics, Indian economy. Now, this exam is a relatively simpler exam compared to the other institutes, and our CUET only program is a program that we offer so that students who are only looking to crack the CUET exam can use the opportunity. It is curated so that you only get practice of questions up till the level of CUET. So we make you practice relevant past year papers which are CUET level. So CUET exam has only been happening since the past 4-5 years. So only the CUET papers will not be enough. So we will guide you with which papers to do and provide solutions, video solutions to each and every questions in the past, so that you are well prepared to handle the 75 questions of CUET which you have to answer. So these questions are basic questions, but they are to be done within the 2 hours, and the breadth of the questions is good. Sometimes you will also be surprised by the level of questions that come for maths and stats. So we will be helping you get prepared for all the surprises that can come. Like I said, that you have to try and go a level up. So if you thought you could do 50%, 60% of the questions in CUET, come with us so that we can help you do 70%, 80% questions in CUET. The next level of preparation that you can do with us is the CUET Plus program. The CUET Plus program includes institutes which are related to CUET, other than CUET also, like IIFT, like Madras School of Economics, like SAO, like TERI. Institutes which are not affiliated to CUET but are not as tough as ISI or an IIT. So you can target all other institutes. If you go for the CUET Plus program, you can target all other institutes except ISI, IIT, Ashoka and SNU. So that is a CUET Plus program for you, which is a very comprehensive program which will really prepare a very, very solid foundation for you to crack almost all the top exams except the exceptionally tough ones. And now coming to EduSure's flagship program, the EcoTopper program. EcoTopper program is the one which is closest to Sir's and my hearts, because it was designed when Sir and I cracked ISI and DSE and wanted to help students like us to crack ISI and DSE also. DSE has now gone into CUET, but now we have the IIT exam, which is as prestigious and as slightly difficult to solve as ISI. So in ISI, we have the PEA and the PEB. The PEB is the one that stumps students the most. How to write those answers. How to write answers when there are no MCQs. So this year we are coming up with special strategies, special practice questions for you to just practice your PEB. The PEB-A paper consists of 30 multiple choice questions. Now we have ample past year questions and video solution to each past year question to help you crack ISI. Similarly for IIT GATE and JAM have been happening since the past few years. IIT being IIT are slightly heavy on maths. So Samkit Sir is going to prepare you so that you can crack all the IIT entrance exams, IIT GATE and JAM with flair. Along with that, you have the Ashoka and the SNU exams. These are private universities and relatively newer exams. They are not as old as ISI and IIT, but they are institutes which follow the difficulty level of an ISI or an old DSE. So along with IIT GATE and JAM and ISI, preparing for ISI and IIT GATE and JAM helps you prepare for the Ashoka and the SNU paper also. These are the 3 levels of courses offered by EduSure, so that each and every one of you find something that you are looking for with EduSure. Also everyone, EduSure is available to you literally 7 days a week. Yes, we offer classes all the 7 days. Monday to Saturday, we are there with you. Even on Sundays, we are there with you, because we offer guidance session on Sundays. So if you are having any personal issues which you can't ask in classes, which you can't ask in front of others, then there are personal guidance sessions for you every Sunday, where you can talk about your personal challenges that you are facing in cracking these entrances and how we can help you overcome them, and if there's anything that we can do to help you in terms of how to prepare, what strategy to keep, what to do next. Our courses start at just 15,999. So the lowest package that we have is just 15,999. And our flagship program is the EcoTopper program, which is also running a discount of 5,000 rupees just for you all. So don't miss this opportunity. I invite you to come and try EduSure with our new batch launch with Samkit Sir and me on this journey, where we promise you that we will not only help you to be the best prepared that you can be for your entrances, but also to be able to crack your entrance exams, your interviews later on. All the theory that we teach you, all the knowledge that we give you will be helpful to you forever. So come and try EduSure and see you in an EduSure class.